Okay, here's what's going on with this game. So I've got it in Steam, only apps, Common, Skyrim Special Edition. I have no mods. I don't even have a mod manager on here. So we're going to try it 2 different ways. Here's opening from the desktop directly. I hit play. It asks me if I want to allow the publisher to make changes. I say yes. And then it just goes back to that same first screen here. We're going to go to Steam now and try opening it from Steam. And once again, same thing. Yes. And then it goes right back to this again. And just to show you that I did verify the integrity of the game files, here is that. This is about the 7th time I've gone through the step-by-step on both Steam's website and your guys' website. I'm getting frustrated. And I don't know what to do, because if I check my computer files, it says my video card is good. I bought this computer with this game in mind. This is the whole reason I got this computer I have, is for this game. Just waiting on the files. It says all the files are successfully validated, so try it again. See? Now check your video hardware and decide accordingly. Video hardware was not identified. Asking me to allow the publisher to make changes. Yes again. And it goes back to this.